Xinjiang Karez, known as the Underground Great Wall, as one of the three major ancient projects in China, alongside the Great Wall and the Beijing-Hangzhou Grand Canal. Karez is a water conservancy miracle created by the people of all ethnic groups in Xinjiang, in arid environments. With a history of over 2,000 years, there are thousands of karez in Japan alone, with a total length exceeding 5,000 kilometers. Its design is full of ancient wisdom. First, vertical wells are dug at the snow melt sources in high mountains. Then, underground canals divert water to oases. And finally, open canals lead water to farmland or villages. This design not only reduces evaporation, but also ensures stable water supply. Wandering in the Karez scenic area, you can see deep vertical wells, flowing underground canals, and touch the cool well water, as if feeling the hardships and the wisdom of the ancestors when digging thousands of years ago. It's the underground waterway that nourished Japan's Great Valley and the oasis at the foot of the Flaming Mountain, nurturing Xinjiang's land of melons and fruits. Next, please take your time to explore the cultural code in this underground water vein.